What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to try and get the S2K back on the road. So a few days ago we were trying to swap out the outer tie rod and it seized on the inner. I already cut into the outer and I figured it's just going to be easier to replace the outer and the inner together. So I ordered in an inner and it showed up today and went and picked it up. Now we can go ahead and get everything swapped out. We need to pull off, looks like the skid plate, and then we should have access to just pull this boot and get the inner and outer off together. You guys ever have one of those days where you just don't want to work? That's me today. I got the S2K all finished up, got it string aligned, got the wheel torqued down. It's all good to go. I need to tear into that motor on the S2000. I don't want to do that today. So I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the day. It may or may not be interesting. Just got back to the house. Bobby is feeling better. She's still a little bit sick, but she's feeling better. And we're gonna go shopping for food, but she requested a ride in the FRS today. She has yet to feel it. I may be speaking too soon, but I think this car might impress her. Come on in. It's not a review, it's you just have to send it out. So what store do you want to go to?
I should probably go to Walmart or Woodkill.
I hate the seatbelt chime. If anyone knows how to turn off a seatbelt chime with aftermarket seats in an FRS PRC/86, hit me up.
Why is it like right here?
Would you like to feel it rip?
Sure.
Hey, you fucker. Let me change my map. Gonna have to turn off traction control.
I wouldn't do it up this hill. There's a jump right there.
What do you think?
Feels slower than it did stock.
Turn her down a little bit. Holy shit.
What do you mean turn her down a little bit?
I turned my boost down.
Oh, that's cool.
Holy shit, did you hear it?
Yeah.
It's probably because of the extra weight.
It feels like a go-kart. It's weird. This is so weird.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Doesn't it sound dope? can't.
It feels like we're not even on the ground when we're going around corners. Sounds like something's blowing up under us.
Holy shit, he's like walking a deer. Why is he walking a deer down the road?
This is such an attention hoe.
Oh, or horror.
Horror. Look at
Was that fun? You were for me?
It's scaring everyone. My little boy was so excited.
I had a Buster Siders a little bit for him. Damn, this thing's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
This thing is just a little river. Wow. How long till this motor blows? Wait, which motor? What motor blows first? This or yours?
This.
You think?
Because it's your car and you're driving it.
Shucky darns.
My car is probably never gonna blow. And if it does, it's gonna be when you're driving it. No offense.
It's not an offense, it's a compliment.
Oh.
It just means I can send it. I know how to send.
You're obsessed with those.
Great fun, Devin, great fun. Probably doesn't help that it doesn't slide very easily because the tires are so wide. I mean, she'll still slide, don't get me wrong.
Honey, trust me.
Don't get me wrong. She slides. We should put it on stock tires for a day. Stock those tires and go drift the shit out of it.
You think so, eh?
What do you think? You want to drive?
I do want to drive,
You did?
but not right now.
Should we do a burnout?
No.
Are you prepared to get gapped by this car?
When?
What? You pick the date. I'll put money on it.
Honey, it's not fair.
What?
Because you're a better driver than me.
You have way more power and all-wheel drive and a clutch that don't slip.
It's all about the drive now. I never thought this would be the grocery run car.
She gets a little lean up top is what I'm seeing. Am I running out of pump already? There's no way. Is it impressing you or is it?
It's impressing me, yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Do you think it's gonna be like this fun?
No.
Really? Wanna go sideways?
Poor lady.
Okay, that's enough beating on her. I gotta save this clutch for at least a day.
Literally looks like you were awesome from behind walking in.
Let's air out on these peasants.
Oh.
The guy in the blue?
Yeah.
It is me.
Because he's back.
Bags are for groceries. Not the most bustin' car for groceries
No.
in the world.
Not at all.
It'll be alright. What? What?
Your face. Like you're trying to sneeze.
I've been needing to sneeze for like 20 seconds and it won't come out.
Maybe your nostrils are like flared up.
Dad, we're in the driving mood today, so we're gonna go rent Mom's car now. We're going to her mom's. Sick.
On a Saturday night.
We party hard.
I'm sick.
This is the hardest we've hardest we've partied in a minute. We went to your mom's house.
Ew, baby, keep on spitting on me. Oh, no wonder we ain't going nowhere. Oh, that's so freaking loud.
He's on a dirt bike. What the hell? That's not legal.
This van probably thinks I'm on crack.
Flat-footed, flat-footed, flat-footed. Damn, that was pretty solid. Sheesh. Good job, Bobby.
Thanks.
It's a little fast.
Oh, that was a big one. Ooh.
It's because you're ripping. It's a little faster than the FRS, boys. But I think I should still be able to give her the gap. I think. Maybe not with that clutch though.
Oh, this car will definitely give your car the gap.
$5,000.
Are they both going to be on E?
No.
No.
You're gonna be on pump and I get whatever I want.
So loud. Ooh, this car's so much fun. My little Cha-Cha. What do you think? Faster than your FRS?
No, I don't think so. It's only on 26 pounds versus 12.
Do you see how smooth she rips too?
Usually motors run the best right before they're about to blow up.
Oh.
Yeah, always. I swear. So that's why she's so healthy. She's about to pop. It actually is kind of true. I don't know why it is. They just seem to love low compression.
Are those tiny parts? Those are way louder than your stupid farts. Are you baptized?
I think so.
Yeah, I would assume you are.
Is that where they dunk you in water? Is it?
Maybe. It's a little bit more than just getting dunked in water. Ew, did you burp?
Yes.